In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Display and Brightness. Now scroll to select font over here. And when you're ready, click on one of those fonts to apply the best one for you. Check out Preview at the top and simply go back or select More. If you decided you do want to select more, click on it, tap on Allow All. Select one of those font styles, pick the best one for you, like One Destiny. Hit Download, wait, hit Apply and confirm your choice in the second pop-up by tapping on OK. So when I do that and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed again. If you want to access all of your downloaded and default font styles, you can also go into this app called Themes. Hit Agree. Tap on Me at the bottom right corner and select Fonts section. Then tap on System Fonts. Click on the one you want to apply and choose Apply, or to get a new one, click on this plus at the top right corner and download it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!